Great, welcome back. And just a second ago, I was showing you guys the purple boost tea that I was brewing today. And the main focus for today is actually me showcasing a Chinese snack that I usually have with tea. So the Chinese snack I'm going to show you guys today is actually a variety pack. So I actually got this variety pack a little bit after the Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year, very similar to Christmas and a lot of other cultures' New Year, is that it's a time for family reunion. It's a time for everyone to get together, share treats, share delicious food, and we want the occasion to look as festive, as happy as possible. So this variety pack is specifically made and packaged for Chinese New Year. And I actually didn't get around to eating it because I was just eating on so many other delicious foods to show you guys what this is, because the packaging is really beautiful. So you guys can see a little bit better. So this is actually quite a big box. Yeah. And when you go to someone's house for Chinese New Year, it looks like a good present. So it comes from brand Dao Xiang Cun. Over here, I'll show you. So this is the 3 characters, Dao Xiang Cun. And this is actually a pretty old, I'll zoom in a little bit. Yeah. This is actually a bold and very reputable pastry shop founded in Beijing. Founded in 1773. So 200 years of history with this brand. And they're known for a lot of wheat pastries, so baked breads and cakes. And I really want to show you what's inside. Really like unboxing and ASMR, so bear with me. Just to show you, this is like a nice packaging, really solid, really just, beautiful box. Yeah, so over here to the brand and their mark, you can also see these 5 characters. It says 中华老字号, and the translation here is China time-honored brand. And then on the corner over here, the 3 letters here, 福到家. So what that means, 福 means fortune, good fortune or happiness. 到家 means arriving home or come home. So yeah, really just warm, auspicious of welcoming happiness and good fortune into the house, into the family. It's produced with a lot of heart, with a lot of craftsmanship. And what's more is to talk about what's inside. Okay, so pulling aside the handle, I'm gonna open this up. Alright, so I'm gonna open the tape, and this is my first time opening it, so I'm not sure how exactly. I think the top looks like this, and then I think I just need to pull it apart because I have already cut the tape. Okay, so I have to lift the lid. The lid is really interesting. I have to lift it like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna get the content. Here is bag. It's again really beautiful packaging. Gold letters on this bag. That aside, and we're gonna see what else is inside. Okay, now I'm gonna pull out a white cardboard box, a paper box. Okay, this is cookie rolls. I know exactly what I can't wait to show you guys. And then we have here this, I think this is in Chinese. This says 手撕面包. 手撕 means hand torn or tearing. 面包 means bread. And this is 原味. That means original flavor. Finally, the last thing in the box. This one is favorite. This one is called 沙琪玛. Alright, so next I'm gonna open each one and show you the desserts and also try them for you.